Heyo, graphic designers! Today we're going to make another spiral with the transform tool. So we're starting by making a circle with the ellipse tool. Then we're changing the stroke weight to a preferred value and the variable width profile to width profile 4. We're then selecting the scissor tool and cut at all 4 anchor points of the circle. Now we're selecting the parallel parts and change their stroke weight cap and make it a dashed line. Group everything and apply the transform effect to it with the values you see on the screen. And that's it. Congrats on learning to do this great spiral design. Don't forget to like and subscribe.